Sup, y'all? Domino is back again. Domino 7, just in case some of you don't know me. I'm Domino 7, okay? Alright, AK Dino Chico or whatever you want to call me. Oh, well, never mind all that though, okay? I mean, something else I want to talk about. Comes down to to this shit with Dan Schneider. Way worse than what R. Kelly did. Hmm. Yes, indeed. Listening to Jeanette McCurdy's story and stuff like that when she was on Nickelodeon and stuff like that. Came out with the book called "I'm Glad My Mom Died" and all that. So like they say with celebrities like that, you never know what the hell they be going through. And all that stuff with Dan Schneider and stuff like that, all that shit is coming out. Okay, everything coming out. Like they said, you never know what the hell is going on behind closed doors. You never know what the hell going on behind closed doors. I'm like, I didn't know Jim McCurdy was suffering from an eating disorder and puking and stuff like that. I didn't know all that. I'm like, uh, she seemed like she like being on TV and stuff like that. And acting and stuff like that. But you know what? I'm so glad she became a star because I really enjoyed all them celebrities. Okay, especially Nickelodeon, and I still watch Nickelodeon till this day. And hearing about people exposing Dan Schneider like Angelique Bates from all that, saying all what she was saying and stuff like that, and and that stuff with Alexa Nicholas. Oh man, I mean, so many teenage superstars go through a lot of stuff, and you never know what the hell they go through. That's a damn shame. Now back to Sam Puckett, or should I say Jen McCurdy? Okay, if she want me to call her Jen, I don't know if she want me to call her that, but I might as well call her by her real name, Jeanette McCurdy. Okay, so what I want to say is, I mean, why in the world would this man would have her to drink some kind of alcohol beverage, you know, at underage? Oh my God! I know she felt so bad. I mean, drinking that type of alcohol like beer or wine or whatever the hell it was, some kind of liquor or whatever. I'm like, what the hell is going on? Why would Dan Schneider do something like that? Jeez, and cursing at teenagers and stuff like that. Oh my God, cursing at a child? What the hell? I didn't know this. I didn't know this bastard curses. You know? Oh my God. What's the matter with producers these days? What the hell? I'm confused on that. I'm extremely confused on that, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very confused. You hear me? I'm very, very confused. Extremely confused. You hear me? I would not, under any circumstances, would condone something like that. Do that to my daughter, I beat the brakes off of him. You know? Hmm. Yes, indeed, y'all. Yes, indeed. That's a whole. Oh my God, that was a whole damn tragic one. I mean, getting Jeanette McCurdy drunk and all that. You know, I don't know. She probably was in the bathroom throwing up. Probably been puking for like she's or should I say violently puking in about 15 minutes or whatever. Hmm. Yes, indeed. I'm like, what the hell is going on at Nickelodeon? I never thought Nickelodeon would hire the wrong type of people. And let me ask y'all something. Did y'all watch an episode of To Catch a Predator when a man that they used to work at Nickelodeon was communicating with a decoy, saying that she was 13 or something like that, and then he went to that house, and then Chris Hansen was there. Chris Hansen was there, and guess what? He ran out. You know, mm-hmm. And that guy got fired from Nickelodeon. Thank God for that. So I'm like, I kind of wonder why Dan Schneider wasn't arrested to begin with. Why wasn't Dan Schneider arrested for what the hell he was doing to the kids? You know, I don't know what he did to Victoria Justice, Elizabeth Hasselbeck, not Elizabeth Hasselbeck, Elizabeth Gillies. My bad. Sorry, Elizabeth Hasselbeck. You was on the View. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm talking about Elizabeth Gillies. Okay, and Kristen Herrera. She was on the first season of Zoe 101. Played Dana Cruz. I mean, I enjoyed her on Zoe 101. And Alexa Nicholas left that following season after season 2. And let me tell y'all something. I had a feeling. Let me tell y'all something. I had a feeling Alexa Nicholas wasn't gonna be on Zoe 101 no more. I had a strong feeling that she was gonna leave Zoe 101. I had that strong feeling that was gonna happen. All of a sudden, that feeling came true. That feeling came true. You hear me? So, like I said, y'all, I mean, back in the day, I enjoyed them Nickelodeon shows. Okay, Salute Your Shorts, Hey Dude, and 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 Clarissa Explains It All. Dan Schneider didn't produce none of that. That I know of. And I watched Drake and Josh and stuff like that. with Drake Bell and Josh Peck and Miranda Cosgrove and stuff like that. So anyway, I kind of missed some things. I wonder what Miranda Cosgrove got to say about the situation. Did Dan Schneider did something to her? Who knows? You know. I wonder. I wonder if he done something to Ariana Grande. But I gotta watch all that. To see what and try to listen to the story of of these stars and stuff like that. Sometimes I don't pay attention, but I gotta pay attention. I definitely gotta pay attention though. Okay, so I must say though, that shit, damn. You know, I mean, and 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 then Alexa Nicholas being pushed around by her castmates, and then I heard one time when she was in an interview with somebody that say Britney Spears went cursed her out and stuff like that. Curse her out, yelling at her and stuff like that. And she was she was nauseous or whatever you want to call it. Uh, that she was throwing up and stuff like that. And somebody say, "What?" I guess it was her mom said, "What did you do to my daughter?" or something like that. So I need to read about that. Okay. So Alexa Nicholas, I kind of wonder how she doing now. I'm pretty sure she doing good right now. Okay. And Amanda Bynes, I mean Amanda Bynes. I really love Amanda Bynes. Mm-hmm. And I heard she has a man now. People not liking the situation. That Amanda Bynes engaged to this guy, and she have a tattoo on her face. Sorry to say it, but I love Amanda Bynes. But the way I feel right now, I don't like that tattoo on her face. To be honest, though, okay, I don't know why she got that. Okay, but you know what? instead of talking down about these stars, you have to pray for them. All right, like like when Britney Spears fell down in the dumps and stuff like that, people was talking bad about her. After she'd have shaved her head and all that. So you know what I did? Instead of talking down about Britney Spears, I prayed for her. All right. So anyway, anybody else? Miley Cyrus. Much as she been running off stage to throw up and stuff like that. I think she did that recently. I saw a video when she was on stage talking about she about to go throw up or whatever. You know. hmm So anyway, now back to what I was talking about. With these Nickelodeon stars and stuff like that going through bad times at their time on Nickelodeon and stuff like that. Well, I won't be surprised if I hear the stuff about Disney Channel or whatever. Okay. So anyway, y'all. So much stuff that been going on. Okay. So all I'm gonna say about Jamie Lynn Spears situation and stuff like that, and Alexa Nicholas, they beefing and stuff like that. Being pushed around and stuff like that. You know, I mean, Alexa Nicholas, I want to tell y'all, I think she's sweet. I don't think she's evil at all. But let me tell y'all something. I saw a video of her cursing and stuff like that. So I heard her curse before I heard Ariana Grande started cursing. And you know what? I say to myself, if Alexa Nicholas curses, Ariana Grande should start cursing too. And guess what? I heard her curse. Yep, I sure did hear her curse. I'm like, and I didn't judge her. I just say if Alexa Nicholas curses, she should curse too. So I do believe Kristen Herrera curses too. Yeah, yep. So yeah. And Lindsay Shaw, Kristen Serratos. Kristen Serratos was my favorite actress. Yeah, I enjoy her playing Susie Crabgrass. My bad, Crabgrass. My bad, Susie Crabgrass on Nasty Classified. Yeah, I watched that. Yep. I was 19, I do believe, or 20 or something like that when I first watched Nasty Classified. Okay. I was always back and forth from Nickelodeon to Disney Channel and stuff like that. You know. Uh huh. So something, y'all. I watched the new iCarly. It aired on Nick at Night. So that was the last time I watched it. But honestly, I wasn't feeling it, to be honest with y'all. I really wasn't feeling feeling that new iCarly. I'm like, without Sam Puckett, it it ain't right, to be honest, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all, cause I mean, I'm feeling it with Harper and a new cast, but without Sam Puckett, I ain't feeling it, to be honest with y'all. Okay. I sure wish Jeanette McCurdy would go back to iCarly and stuff like that. Maybe she'll change her ways about how Sam Puckett was. Okay. So I still call her Sam Puckett. Yep. Maybe she don't want me to call her that. Maybe she don't want nobody to call her that. If she don't want that, you have to respect that. All right. So if I'm saying anything wrong, I'm sorry, y'all. I want to apologize to everybody. If I'm saying anything wrong, I apologize. Okay? I'm sorry. Okay? All right. So sometimes I say things. Sometimes I don't know what I be talking about, to be honest with y'all. Okay? I got to keep it real with each and every one of y'all that's watching my show, because I don't know who watches my show. You know, I don't know who watched Domino 7. You know what I'm saying? Because if I'm wrong about what I'm saying, I apologize to every one of y'all. Okay? All right. So that's all I got to say, y'all. All right? Thank y'all for watching. And Sam Puckett, I pray for you here. Okay? Because honestly, I do miss seeing you on TV. You got a pretty smile, too. All right. So nothing against the rest of the Nickelodeon stars, but people, them stars exposing Dan Schneider. Huh. I have no sympathy for him or R. Kelly. Okay? All right. That's all I got to say. All right. Bye.